Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a couple pocket letters that I wanted to show you. I am in a continuous swap with Lisa, who is a Worthy Life on Instagram. I will put the link for that down below. But we do a Fruits of the Spirit pocket swap, and the most recent one that we did was Patience. And so this is what she sent me. I haven't opened it up yet, but she has it wrapped up in this really pretty green yarn, and then this tag is so pretty. And she has written Patience on there. And this is the fourth one that we've done. So this is really pretty, and I love this eyelash trim. So I'll go ahead and open it up here. After this one, I have a Halloween pocket letter that I made for a swap that I'm going to show you that. So stick around for that one as well. Let me see if I can get this. I'll just pull it off here. She had it tied up so nicely. Alright, so this is really pretty. I love this. I love this background, the green. It's like a fleur-de-lis background. And she is an amazing artist, I just want to tell you, because she drew that up at the top, that lady. And she looks like she used like some pearl paint there. This is really pretty here with the ribbon and the paper flower, and she used some cardboard, like a cardboard box. And then she put this watermelon over here. I think it's a sticker maybe. She made me a little altered paper clip with this pretty fabric there. And then in the middle she has Patience, and then it says patience is better than power, Proverbs 16:32. And then over here she has Romans 8:25, and it says, now if we hope for what we do not see, we eagerly wait for it with patience. So that's an awesome verse. And down here she has another one of the girls with the pretty flowers in her hair and the watermelon there. And then she did the same with the cardboard and the flower and the ribbon at that. So let's see what she put in here. Oh, some peppermint tea. Very nice. She gave me some of this beautiful eyelash trim. And that's wrapped all the way around. So she has it wrapped in another all the way around the paper. So it's really pretty. Oops. And then that's her note. I'll read that here in a second. Here she looks like she stamped some fruits out for me. So there's some cherries and a little watermelon with lemon. Lemonade with a lemon. And then here's a watermelon and strawberry. And then this one says he turns sour into sweet. That's so cute. And then she sent me some die cuts here. If I can get them out. Here we go. Pineapple and cherries, some oranges, pear, strawberry, watermelon, lime wedge, peach, lemon, a lemon wedge, and another strawberry. That's really cute. And then this one, there are some sentiments that she cut out. And these are the fruits of the spirit. So there's self-control, goodness, kindness, faithfulness, peace, joy, and gentleness. Very nice. And then down here she sent some rhinestones and washi samples. So those are really pretty. And then on this one there's, let's see, apple washi, and this looks like peach and strawberries. This is a mason jar washi tape, and then a red polka dot. And down here, she sent me some, looks like sticker-backed fabric strips. Those are cute. And the last one is more cut-aparts. Get all those out. There's lemon and cross. These might be stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. Very cute. Fruit of the Spirit stickers. Those are cute. Really cute. I love this. I love, these are all things that I can use in my planner, so I can't wait to use that stuff. So I'll just leave that out here. So this is super cute. I love everything, Lisa. Thank you so much for doing this swap with me. So beautiful. All right, so stick around. I'm going to show you my Halloween pocket letter. All right, so here is the Halloween pocket letter that I did for a swap that is in the Trash to Treasures Facebook group. And we had no real requirements for this besides just decorating it Halloween theme and writing a little letter, just a typical pocket letter. So I used a bunch of paper that I had it left over in my Halloween stash. So it's all pretty old stuff, but I think it all turned out super cute. The newer things that are actually from this year are just these glitter die cuts and the felt die cuts here. So on this first little square here, I used, I'll remove this. I used some paper I had in my stash that has really cute pumpkins with these cute little faces. Kind of reminds me of Jack Skellington. But then I tied a ribbon around it. I layered it on top of some glitter, orange glitter cardstock, and then I had all these little die cuts that were from an old paper pack that I had. And so I just cut up a bunch of these and stuck them in there. So really cute. And in that pocket, I made her a couple little altered paper clips with some ribbon and eyelash trim. So that's what's in there. And then in this pocket, I just used some orange glitter paper, layered it on top of this purple stripe paper, used a cut apart from that collection, and then tied it up with some glitter ribbon that was from the Dollar Tree. Over here, I used a piece of paper, and I don't know what collection this is, but it all came together. So anyways, I used that piece of scrapbook paper, used a little border strip there, and then the felt pumpkin in here, and on both sides here I used the striped paper, a polka dot print, used one of the little sentiments there, the cut apart, and then added those cute little sparkly bats, and those were from Walmart. In the middle here, I used some orange glitter paper, black paper, and then this jack-o'-lantern cut apart with some black and orange rhinestones. And then down here at the bottom, I did the same as what I did up here and added more little die cut pieces. Here I used this heebie-jeebies little cut apart and did layering on the orange and the purple, and then that same glitter ribbon. And over here I mimicked what I did up there, so that it just all worked well, I thought. And then on the sides I tied it up with a bunch of different ribbons and eyelash trims that I had in my stash. I had this one that says Happy Halloween, and then this one here that says Trick or Treat, and then I had polka dot ribbon, the glitter ribbon, some purple and black eyelash trim, and then I had some polka dot sheer ribbon and purple ribbon and black and white gingham ribbon there. So let me turn it over here. So I just had a bunch of things in my stash that I thought I would gift to her, and I put some pumpkin spice tea in there, I put some orange and black flowers and buttons. In here I had a bunch of different stickers. There were pumpkins and trick-or-treat little stickers. And here I added some more die cuts and those felt cuts that were from, I think, Dollar Tree. And then here's my little letter. And then here are some die cuts. And I'll show you these because these are really cute too. And these were from Garnier or something. They're older, but I just thought they were really cute. There's a cat. I love this one. This one, it's okay. And then a boo and a bat, and then this one is a little ghost. So those were really cute. So that's what is in that spot. And then up here at the top are some stickers that I had gotten from the Daiso store last year. And they are these here. So really cute. This one says Happy Halloween. And then in the last spot, I put some pumpkin stickers, and these are Mrs. Grossman's, if you can believe that. I had those in my stash. And then this is a little shaker sticker. It's really cute. And then these have little, it looks like little seed beads, like tiny, but they're kind of laminated on there so they don't come off. But it's super cute. So that is what my pocket letter is, and I hope that my swap partner will love it. So anyway, I'll leave that out there. So I hope you liked my project share today of both my pocket letters, and I hope that you have a great week, and I'll see you again at my next video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.